Welcome to Alex's Restoration Workshop, and let's enjoy today's show.
In the secluded riverbank, Alex discovers a massive rusted Boeing 737 fuselage, partially buried in tall grass. He touches the peeling paint, feeling the cold metal as he envisions the massive restoration project ahead of him. Alex examines the weathered tail before testing a seized cargo door, carefully scraping away years of thick green lichen. With a heavy crowbar, Alex forces the warped door open, releasing a cloud of ancient dust into the air. Inside the hollow, ghostly cabin, Alex uses a flashlight to imagine a future kitchen and living room among debris. Alex vigorously scrubs thick moss from the aluminum skin, revealing the bright silver metal hidden beneath decades of grime. A powerful jet of water blasts away rust, instantly transforming the weathered surface into a clean, dull gray aluminum. Kneeling beneath the wing, Alex uses a grinder to smooth the pitted metal, working methodically despite the heat and dust. High on the ladder, Alex spreads thick foam across the roof, scrubbing the top communication antennas under the sun. Leaning against the clean metal, Alex takes a sip of water and smiles at the incredible progress he's made.
Wearing a respirator, Alex uses an orbital sander to create a perfectly smooth, brushed metal finish on the fuselage. He carefully polishes each individual rivet, making the metal shine until it reflects the blue sky and surrounding trees. From across the water, the plane looks like a silver jewel as Alex prepares the roof for fresh paint. Alex meticulously seals every window with blue tape and brown paper, ensuring the upcoming paint job is perfectly clean. As the sun sets, Alex sprays a fine mist of white primer, finally turning the old wreck into something new. The next morning, Alex applies the final gloss white coat, making the massive aircraft gleam brilliantly in the sunlight. He slowly peels away the masking tape, revealing sharp, clean lines and glass that reflects the lush green forest. The exterior restoration is complete, leaving a pristine white structure that stands in beautiful contrast to the quiet riverbank. Moving inside, Alex secures wooden beams to the metal ribs, creating a level foundation for his new living space. Alex carefully clicks mahogany planks into place, instantly warming the industrial interior with the rich texture of dark wood.
After installing silver-faced insulation, Alex uses a pneumatic nail gun to attach pre-curved plywood panels to the cabin walls. In the center of the plane, Alex assembles dark gray kitchen cabinets, carefully measuring the space for a modern oven. Alex positions a plush navy blue sofa in the living area, creating a cozy sanctuary within the hollow metal shell. He carefully lowers a stunning white marble countertop onto the cabinets, adding a touch of high-end luxury to the kitchen. In the rear of the cabin, Alex finishes the elegant bedroom by smoothing a thick duvet over the bed. Alex flips a switch, bathing the finished interior in a warm glow that highlights the seamless flow of the home. Back outside, Alex begins constructing a large cedar terrace, connecting the airplane home to the beautiful riverbank environment. He cuts cedar planks with a circular saw to build wide stairs, providing an inviting entrance to the elevated home. Alex applies a protective sealant to the terrace, making the reddish wood vibrant against the white paint of the plane. The transformation is breathtaking, showing a pristine white jewel nestled perfectly within the peaceful, secluded greenery of the forest.
Inside, Alex installs a minimalist black chandelier, casting a sophisticated light over the mahogany floors and navy blue furniture. He adds personal touches by placing books and a ceramic vase on the shelves, making the space feel like home. Alex organizes high-end cookware on the marble counters, testing the faucet as he admires the spectacular view of the river. In the bedroom, he adjusts gray linen curtains and sets a modern alarm clock, completing the serene hotel-like retreat. Alex sets up modern lounge chairs on the terrace, creating a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the water. Carrying a tray of water, Alex walks onto the terrace to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of his completed masterpiece. As night falls, the interior glows with warm LED light, providing a cozy and high-end sanctuary in the woods. Alex sits in the original pilot seat, looking through the cockpit windows at the deep purple and orange sunset. Soft upward lights illuminate the light fuselage at night, making the airplane home look like a glowing, futuristic sanctuary. The home is a brilliant object in the darkness, its lights reflecting beautifully in the ripples of the moving river. Alex wakes up in his new bedroom, smiling as the soft morning light filters through the unique airplane windows. He prepares a fresh cup of coffee, enjoying the aroma and the functional beauty of his stunning marble kitchen. Carrying his mug, Alex steps out onto the sunny terrace, taking in the serene view of the rushing water. From the riverbank, the white plain and cedar terrace look magnificent, standing as a testament to vision and skill. The sparkling river flows past the terrace, offering a peaceful reward for the long and difficult restoration process. Alex relaxes in a lounge chair, finally fully immersed in the tranquility of the home he built from a wreck. He paints a final custom logo on the nose, an elegant navy blue design that marks the project's official completion. Seen from the water, the luxury residence is a striking architectural feature, perfectly integrated into the wild natural landscape. Alex looks up at the vast blue sky, feeling a sense of freedom after turning history into a beautiful future. As the sun sets, the home glows one last time, a perfect ending to a journey of hard work.